Hey everyone, my name's Emily Courtwright, and the team and I are so excited to announce an exclusive oil and gas investment opportunity called CapX Ventures Fund 7. It is now open for investment, so I'm going to pass it over to my partner Jason Sharp and my husband Adam Roberts to give you more details.
Hey everyone, Jason Sharp here of CapX Ventures, and then my brother from another venture, Adam Roberts from A&E Investments. So we're airborne, headed out to check on some field ops, and thought what better time than now to tell you about our latest offering, CapX Ventures Fund 7. And we are taking all of the best parts that have created a successful launch of Fund 6, bringing it into Fund 7 to replicate that success. So that starts with the team. CapX Ventures co-sponsors A&E Investments, and out in the field, Rowstone Operating Company. And with Rowstone, we've been working with them since late 2021. In fact, a year ago, May last year, we concluded our first full cycle deal. We returned to our investors a net profit of 92% in just under 2.5 years.
That's impressive.
It was really quite good. But as you know, Fund 6 looks to dwarf that. And Fund 6, we drilled 3 wells in northern Louisiana, and we're trying to do the same exact thing here, but with 6 wells in Fund 7, in the same exact area with all the knowledge that we have learned. And one of the things I love about this guy as my partner and co-pilot is that he is so good at financials, at complex Excel spreadsheets, exactly my kind of language for great underwriting. So talk to us, Adam. From an underwriting perspective, what do investors look to gain if they join us in Fund 7?
Yeah, so in Fund 7, I think the exciting thing is just how conservative the underwriting is, right? As Jason mentioned, we already have experience in this field with our prior Fund 6, and it's going to be a real home run return on investment for everybody involved. But really, Jason, where it starts is with Rowstone. Bob and his team, they send us the projections, the geologic research. They tell us what's underneath the surface of the earth. And those guys have been doing this for decades, right?
That's right.
We take their numbers, we look at them, we make sure they're conservative for our investment purposes, and at the end of the day, put together a package that's just going to be a really good return on investment for our investors. So what is it going to be in Fund 7? We're looking at a 3 times your principal return, so a 3x return over a 5-year time horizon. And really, you know, through the stress testing and everything that we do to the model, we're very confident that we're going to be delivering on those return projections. So I'm really looking forward to a successful project, Jason.
Same here. You know, people usually ask about payback. Around what time are we looking for payback on this deal?
You know, it's going to be really early in year 2. So probably about month 14, you're going to receive 100% of your principal back because this is a high cash flow investment.
Especially early on cash flow. That's what I love about oil and gas. So I'll tell you one thing we have in addition to that we're mimicking from Fund 6. In Fund 6, we fielded 2 Bitcoin mines that work off of wasted flared gas. And we're basically making room to do the same thing by adding some of that Bitcoin mining in Fund 7. Will Crozier, my co-principal in CapX Ventures, is really the guy to explain all of that. And we'd love to hand you guys off to Will.
I think we're going to hear from him.
I think we're going to hear from him very soon. So in the meantime, let's get back to flying.
Yeah.
So my controls.
No, my controls.
My controls.
My controls.
My controls.
Hey, we're going
what
that
are you
way.
Doing?
Hey.
Why am I investing my money in Fund 7? Bitcoin mining, done right. We take wasted flare gas that would otherwise go into the atmosphere and pollute things, we run it into generators, and we power Bitcoin mining computers. So what's going on with Bitcoin right now? The federal government has created a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Fidelity invests in Bitcoin. BlackRock invests in Bitcoin. And what we're going to do is mine Bitcoin. Why are we going to do it? Because those with the cheapest energy are those that win at the Bitcoin mining game. And man, we have the cheapest energy. Check it out. We'll have emails coming out soon. Investor calls coming soon. You'll learn more about what we're going to do with Bitcoin mining. It's pretty freaking awesome. Check it out.
Thanks to Will Crozier for that great insight. And just a quick recap, we're going to be drilling 6 new oil and gas wells in northern Louisiana. This opportunity is open to all accredited investors. We do expect bonus depreciation for 2025, and we expect monthly cash flow distributions to start in the first quarter of 2026. So visit the investor portal today, get signed up. Our whole team is passionate about the success of this project, and we hope that you decide to invest alongside of us. Thank you and have a great day.